Hello everyone, Captain Billy J here with a room tour here at the Embassy Suites in Miami, Florida. Staying in that room 719, it was on the 7th floor, smoking room. Now let's proceed into this two-room suite. So in here is a nice little sitting chair along with table and a lamp and a phone. You got your windows looking out into the indoor courtyard. You've got a nice couch here, and a little dining table here, a couple chairs. Here's one TV here, nice size TV. And this is the living room. So then proceed into the middle part here. We have a wet bar. So standard things here, sink and everything. Here's a large fridge, so that's good to have. I'm not sure what's in the rest of these. A microwave and a safe. And that's one is plumbing. Nice little coffee maker and some of the creamer and stuff. And water that you have to pay for. On the other side of that, there's a little closet with some hangers, extra blanket, iron, luggage rack, and an ironing board. Here is a CO Smart. I'm not sure what that is. Air conditioning? Maybe? I don't know. Moving into this room, we have the sink, mirror, and then the mirror TV, dresser. Big wardrobe closet here. You can hang up more stuff in him. There's more hangers on this side. Over here we got the window. And we got a nice view of highways and byways and a little bit of water. I can't see too much over here. Not the greatest view. In the bedroom, we have a clock, lamp, nightstand. We do have towel animal. It's like a swan or a bird of some type. With a king size bed. Over here, got another telephone, lamp, dresser. And then proceed into the bathroom. Turn the light on. So, not only do you have a sink out there, you have a sink in here. In case someone uses the bathroom, you can still have sink access. There's the captain in the mirror. You got some nice toiletry items. Kleenex. There's some extra towels down below. And this is a shower. Unfortunately, not a handheld. So, something permanently fixed on the wall. But hopefully the water pressure is good. Got some soap up there. So this is the bathtub, shower. And then behind the door is the toilet and toilet paper and fish on the wall. Anyways, that completes our room tour here at the Embassy Suites in Miami, Florida, right next to the Miami International Airport. This is our group hotel for the BBD Rum Run. And yeah, it's a pretty nice hotel, more than the captain would pay for. The captain is pretty frugal, but this is for one night, and we get 2 free drink tickets for our stay with our group, and we also get a free breakfast as well too. So looking forward to using all of that. And yeah, just starting off, this is pre-cruise day. I'm excited to be here along with all my friends from the cruising community on YouTube. So, all right, this is Captain Billy J signing off from the Embassy Suites here in Miami, Florida. We'll see you guys later. Hey, did you love that video? Well, you're going to love this video right over here. Check it out. It's related. And check out all my other travel videos as well. Captain Billy J out.